Let's see this cylinder. So it is a closed solid that has two parallel bases connected by a curved surface. So which means if you see this, it is a cylinder. So cylinder will have two parallel faces, so you can also call them as the base, right? And now they are connected by a curved area. So curved area means it will be in the circular curve, right? Now the important formulas on this is, one is volume is pi r square h. See, you can imagine this one as if it is one circle which is having an area of pi r square. Now that many circles are kept one upon the other, right? And therefore the total volume is going to be pi r square into h. The total area is going to be the total volume, right? Pi r square into h. Now the other one is surface area. Surface area means what is the area that you can see for the this one cylinder. Now if you see this, there are two circular bases, so they are going to have some surface area, and then the cylinder is going to have some surface area, right? I mean this one, the curved area as well as top and bottom. Now how to write it is, the top and bottom are simply circles, therefore 2 into pi r square is their area, and then the curved area, you can imagine the entire curved area as if it is a lot of circles kept one upon the other. One circle is going to give you a perimeter of pi r, 2 pi r, and if you have h such circles, then it is going to be h into 2 pi r, right? Therefore 2 pi r is perimeter of each one. Now you have h such ones, therefore h. Got it? Now you can pull out 2 pi r, then it is going to be 2 pi r into r plus h. This is the surface area. So volume is pi r square h, and the surface area is this one. So these are the 2 points you are supposed to remember about the cylinder. And next one is cone. So what is a cone is, it is a solid structure generated by rotating the base of the right angle triangle, which means you can imagine as if we have a right angle triangle like this, okay? And if you rotate it around this axis, if you rotate it about this axis, right, which means you keep this one as constant and you try rotating it, then you are going to get a kind of circular structure, right? So which is going to be a cone. Now if you imagine that this one is h and this one is r, then this length is going to be square root of h square plus r square. Got it? So slant height is h square plus r square. Now in terms of these parameters, we have some formulas here. One is volume equal to pi r square h by 3. So it is exactly 1/3 of the volume of the cone. Got it? So if you construct a cone using the same parameters, like if this is the height and if this is the radius, then it is going to be 1/3 of that. Anyway, proof is not required. I am not going to prove it. Just the formulas are important. You can remember them. Pi r square by h. And the other one is curved surface area. Curved surface area means without considering the base. If you take the surface area without considering the base area, so if you want to see this, you can also imagine it this way. Base is a circle, and again this way, right? Now this one will give you a better picture. This is r and this is h, right? Now if I don't consider this base and if I take only the curved surface area, then it is going to be pi r l. The curved surface area is pi r l, right? And what about the total area? To that curved surface area, you have to add the area of the base. So base area is already pi r square. Therefore the total surface area is pi r l plus pi r square. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.